A risk of severe storms back in the forecast and a kind of a muggy forecast moving forward. The heat wave eases to some degree. Don't expect big, drier, cooler changes. They're just not coming anytime soon. It's still going to be hot. And then we're evolving to more of a summer storm pattern. The ridge is starting to break down. That's going to allow more storms to flare up in the heat and humidity as things become more unstable in the afternoon. High temperature yesterday, 95 degrees. 95. And believe it or not, that is the coolest temperature we've had around since, I think it was Friday. We had some very warm temperatures this week, clearly. If you spent any time outdoors, you know that. Average high this time of year, we're in that window where we're looking at the hottest couple of weeks of the year. When you look at the 30-year average, a normal high is 89 degrees. We were only 6 degrees above that yesterday, but the high humidity, it felt warmer. The last 4 days, at least over the weekend, I should say, first 4 days of July, the warmest of the year so far, at least 98 degrees, including that 100-degree reading we had on Thursday, the first time in 14 years, and we got very close to those numbers. We had a 97-degree reading back in June. Up until that point, that was the hottest day of the year. The heat's easing some. None of our local counties are under a heat advisory for today. We weren't yesterday either. You can see Alamance and Randolph and Montgomery County are close to that. The heat index expected to still rise above 100 today, but not get as high as 105. It's going to be close, so, and it's still going to feel pretty warm and steamy because the humidity today is higher than what it was Saturday afternoon or any time during the day on Sunday. Temperatures upper 60s, lower 70s first thing this morning. Pretty typical July numbers. Dew points are back up into the 70s. That uncomfortable feel to the air is in place. So expect some sweaty weather today. High of around 94 this afternoon, at least somewhere in the mid 90s this afternoon. For the triad, rain chances will gradually develop, and it may not see many storms in the area until sometime this evening. At that point, temperatures are starting to come down, and I think our rainfall coverage starts to peak around sunset tonight and shortly thereafter. Lower 90s in the foothills. We'll see earlier storms developing early mid-afternoon in the foothills as well as the mountains, with highs in the lower 90s, lower 80s in the foothills today. Better rain chances in our western counties. In fact, rain is likely in those areas. So here's a better illustration. Your hour-by-hour forecast. Again, pretty quiet through the morning hours. We're back in the 80s to near 90 degrees by lunchtime today. Highs in the mid-90s today as we'll start to see some storms developing. Notice they start in our western half and then start to intensify and grow more in number as they move into the triad. This should start to diminish sometime after midnight. Severe threat should be about through midnight or so. Some leftover showers, perhaps some isolated thunderstorms. And then it's rinse and repeat for Tuesday. Late day storms developing, high temperatures low to mid 90s in the afternoon. And then Wednesday and Thursday we'll see more of the same as well. Talking about your surface map, the risk for severe weather, a marginal risk for all areas today, including the mountains, foothills, as well as the Piedmont Triad. We're also going to add that to Tuesday's forecast as well. So a few wind-driven, strong wind gusts coming around again. Hopefully they won't hit Forsyth County again. Storm chances diminish some for this week, but we stay in the 90s through at least Saturday.